Day 24. The hunt continues. I'm here to find the smallest animal, and it's proving difficult. I was told this was going to be a tough task, but I had no idea how tough. Can you do... Every day, I'm fighting for breath, trying to find this creature. When you're out here, the jungle is your worst enemy. Can you hear that? Every sound I hear could be the last of me. Every sound I hear could be the last of me. I pray to God that I might actually find the discovery. But I swear to gods I will find it. Diary, I must leave now. If I come back alive, I will surely thank you from the bottom of my heart. Here it is. The smallest animal in the world.
I keep a blog diary of all the animals I discover to educate the world on my discoveries. Windows Internet Explorer 8 and Life Academy provide my gateway to bring virtual ideas to life. Life Academy provides 10k grants to empower entrepreneurs to fulfill smart business ideas for safer exploration. Simply create a 2-minute video pitch to enter.